Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating 3 looks with one palette using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Here are several swatches of some of the shades we'll be using in this video. I'll also be using the eyeliners, lipsticks, and setting spray from the collection as well. The first look I'll be creating is a Smokey Eye. I'm first placing the shade Hell Ride into my crease and then blending that out with the shade Baja. I'm then taking a clean fluffy blending brush and blending out the edges of where I applied Baja. Once everything is all blended out, I'm placing the shade Wildheart onto my lid and then adding a bit more definition by blending Hell Ride into my crease again. Now for my lower lash line, I'm applying the shade Hell Ride using the Morphe M508 brush and then blending that out using the shade Baja. I'm now popping on the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Double Life, and then I'm spraying my brush using the All Nighter setting spray and applying the shade Breakaway to my inner corner and brow bone. For lips, I'm using the Comfort Matte Lipstick in Marfa, and now it's time to move on to the second look. The second look I'll be creating is a halo eye. I'm first placing the shade Punk into my crease and then blending it out with the shade Baja. I'm then adding just a bit more of the shade Punk for definition and then blending out where I applied Baja using a clean fluffy blending brush. I'm now applying the shade Drift into my crease, trying to keep it below where I applied the previous 2 shades, and then I'm blending it out using a clean fluffy blending brush. Once everything is all blended out, I'm applying some concealer to the center of my lid, and then I'm going back in with the shade Drift and applying this into the inner and outer corners of my lid. I'm then spraying my brush using the All Nighter setting spray and applying the shade Big Sky to the center of my lid where I applied that concealer. I'm now applying the shades Punk and Baja to my lower lash line and then highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the shade Stranded. Finally, I'm applying the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Lucky and the metallized lipstick in Ready, and now it's time to move on to the third look. The third look I'll be creating is a half cut crease. I'm first applying the shade Baja to my crease and then blending it out with the shade Still Shot. I'm now applying the shade Punk to my crease to add some dimension, and then I'm blending it out using a clean fluffy blending brush. Using the Real Techniques detailer brush and some concealer, I'm cutting my crease, And then I'm applying the shade Wanderlust to the area in which I applied the concealer. I'm quickly adding a bit more dimension to my outer V using the Morphe M519 brush in the shade Punk, and then I'm defining the cut in the crease using the Morphe M508 brush.
Cause you're desperate. Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure?
For my lower lash line, I'm applying the shades Baja and Punk, and then I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the shade Blaze. I'm then creating a sharp angled line on the outer edge of my eyeshadow using a makeup wipe, and now finally it's time to apply the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Overdrive and the Comfort Matte Lipstick in 66. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed all 3 of these looks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.